Okay, another thing that pops up, and sometimes if you're in Algebra 2, it's very possible you haven't had matrices yet this year, and you might not even have them. Some school districts don't have it in there, but to get to the matrix command, you hit alpha and then the zoom key, which is F3 there, and you have to change the row and column. This looks like a 2 by 2 matrix here, so you would type in 2 by 2 by pressing enter and then go down to OK, and it plops a 2 by 2 matrix right on the screen, which is
Yeah,
really
and it
nice.
looks exactly the way it appears. I mean, there's other ways to type it into the calculator, but we like this way because it looks exactly the way it should.
Yeah, it's hard to tell like on some of the older ones where you'll have to like store it as matrix A and you can't really see what it looks like. And you're not sure if you're even doing the right thing, but here it looks exactly like it is. And you guys are
Sure.
absolutely correct. Not every curriculum covers matrices. I mean, we just did in my class 2 days of this just in time for the ACT, but not everybody is so fortunate. So you may not have ever
Well,
seen
and
this
and the nice
before.
thing is the way it appears. If a kid types in the order wrong, this column row, when they see the picture, like, oh gosh, I got those numbers backwards.
Yep. Classic mistake. I mix up the rows and columns sometimes too. Got to
Yeah.
be honest there.
Yeah. And it does say row and column there. How do you remember that, Pat? That
I
row
kind of
is
remember that
horizontal.
columns hold buildings up. That's what I kind of do. And I think, Mr. Allen, you do the same thing with your GIC. Columns keep buildings up, so they've got to go vertical.
Yep, you
Yeah.
got it.
Yep.
Also, there's a nice little RC cola they sell down here that we like to use. It's the matrix calculator cola, we call it.
I didn't
Mhm.
know they sell RC Cola in
Yeah.
Kansas. Is
Oh, they
that
do.
true?
Royal Crown. We're the Royals, baby. There we go.
Okay.